Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Olympus digital camera is probably one of the most versatile and user-friendly options available for content creators and photography enthusiasts alike, offering a blend of professional-grade features in a compact and accessible package. Whether you're a seasoned pro looking for a reliable backup or a beginner eager to elevate your visual storytelling, this camera promises to deliver stunning image quality and intuitive operation, making every shot a masterpiece. Number 5. KODAK PIXPRO FC45 Digital Camera. Introducing the KODAK PIXPRO FC45, a compact digital camera designed for effortless everyday photography. Capture life's moments with its impressive 16MP sensor. Its 16-megapixel CMOS sensor ensures that every photo you take is rich in detail. This makes it perfect for capturing memories, big or small. Get closer to the action with its 4x optical zoom. The 27mm wide-angle lens allows for flexible framing, whether you're shooting indoors or outdoors. Relive your favorite moments in stunning clarity. It records in 1080p Full HD, perfect for everything from travel vlogs to family gatherings. Easily view your shots on the 2.7-inch LCD screen. Powered by 2 AA batteries, it's ready to go whenever inspiration strikes. Never worry about running out of space. It supports Class 10 SD, SDHC, or SDXC cards up to 512 GB, giving you ample room for all your photos and videos. What we like. This camera offers a great balance of features for everyday use. If you're looking for a simple, reliable point-and-shoot for casual snapshots and family events, this is a solid choice. Its ease of use and decent zoom make it perfect for beginners. What people say. The Olympus Digital Camera boasts an impressive 16-megapixel sensor, delivering crisp and detailed images even in challenging lighting conditions. Its compact and lightweight design makes it incredibly portable, perfect for travel and everyday photography without being a burden. The camera features a versatile 5x optical zoom lens, allowing you to capture both wide-angle shots and zoomed-in details with excellent clarity. Number 4. OM System Olympus TG6 Red Camera. Introducing the OM System Olympus TG6 Red Camera, your ultimate companion for adventure. This camera is built to withstand the elements, making it perfect for any environment. It's waterproof up to 50 feet, shockproof from 7 feet, and freeze-proof down to 14 degrees Fahrenheit. You can rely on it in extreme situations. Capture breathtaking photos with its high-resolution f2.0 lens and powerful TruePic 8 image processor. Experience clarity and detail like never before. Discover incredible detail with its variable macro system, allowing you to shoot as close as 1 centimeter. Explore the unseen with 4 specialized macro modes. Dive into your next adventure with 5 dedicated underwater shooting modes and 3 underwater white balance modes. Get vibrant shots even beneath the waves. Record your memories in cinematic 4K movie quality or capture fast-paced action with Full HD at 120 frames per second. Relive every moment in incredible detail. What we like. For the adventurous souls and underwater explorers, this camera is built to withstand the elements. If you need a rugged companion for diving, snorkeling, or extreme sports, its durability and specialized modes make it ideal. Capture stunning footage even in challenging conditions. What people say. The Olympus Digital Camera boasts an impressive 16-megapixel sensor, delivering crisp and detailed images. Its compact and lightweight design makes it incredibly portable, perfect for travel and everyday use. The camera features a user-friendly interface with intuitive controls, making it easy for beginners to capture stunning photos. Number 3. OM System EM10 Mark IV Silver Kit. Experience breathtaking clarity with its 20-megapixel sensor. Every shot captures incredible detail, bringing your memories to life. Stay connected effortlessly. Share your moments instantly with always-on Bluetooth and the intuitive iShare smartphone app. Achieve flawless selfies with the unique flip-down monitor. It automatically activates a dedicated selfie mode for perfect shots with ease. Never miss a moment due to shaky hands. Its 5-axis in-body image stabilization provides up to 4.5 shutter speed steps of compensation for sharp images. Explore your artistic side with 16 art filters, including a new instant film effect for a touch of nostalgia. Transform your photos with unique styles. Get closer to your subject with its versatile zoom. It offers both optical and digital zoom options to frame your perfect shot. What we like. This is the perfect camera for content creators and selfie enthusiasts. If you love vlogging, taking selfies, or want a versatile camera that's easy to handle for everyday photography, its compact size and selfie-friendly features are a huge plus. The image stabilization ensures smooth footage. What people say. The Olympus Digital Camera boasts an impressive 16-megapixel sensor, delivering crisp and detailed images. Its compact and lightweight design makes it incredibly portable, perfect for travel and everyday use. The camera features a user-friendly interface with intuitive controls, making it easy for beginners to operate. Number 2. Olympus OMDE M1 Mirrorless Camera. Experience breathtaking image quality with its 16.3 MP sensor. Advanced 5-axis stabilization ensures every shot is sharp and clear, even in challenging conditions. Never miss a moment with its incredible 10 frames per second continuous shooting capability. Perfect for capturing fast-paced action with precision. Focus effortlessly with its advanced contrast and phase detect autofocus system. It locks onto your subject quickly and accurately, so you can concentrate on your creativity. From bright daylight to low-light evenings, achieve stunning results with an expansive ISO range of 100 to 25,600. Adapt to any lighting situation with ease. Record your memories in vibrant Full HD 1080p video at 30 frames per second. Its H.264 and Motion JPEG compatibility offers flexibility in your video production. Easily compose your shots with the tiltable 3-inch touchscreen LCD, featuring a high-resolution display. The electronic viewfinder provides a clear, magnified view for precise framing. What we like. This camera is for photographers who want creative control and excellent image quality on the go. If you're interested in capturing action shots or need a compact system camera with advanced features, its fast burst shooting and in-body stabilization are key. It's a great option for travel and street photography. What people say. The Olympus Digital Camera boasts an impressive 16-megapixel sensor, delivering crisp and detailed images even in challenging lighting conditions. Its compact and lightweight design makes it incredibly portable, perfect for travel and everyday photography without being a burden. The camera features a versatile 5x optical zoom lens, allowing you to capture a wide range of shots, from expansive landscapes to intimate portraits, with excellent clarity. Number 1. OM System E PL5 Mirrorless Camera. Introducing the OM System E PL5, a powerful mirrorless camera designed for effortless photography. Its compact body houses advanced technology for stunning image quality. Experience incredible detail with its 16-megapixel live MOS sensor. Every shot captures vibrant colors and sharp resolution, bringing your memories to life. Focus and shoot with a simple touch of the screen. Its fast autofocus ensures you never miss the perfect moment, making photography intuitive and fun. Powered by the TruePic 6 image processor, this camera delivers exceptional performance. Enjoy faster processing and superior image quality, even in challenging lighting. This model comes in an elegant silver finish, combining style with functionality. It's the perfect companion for everyday adventures. This is the body-only version, offering you the flexibility to choose the perfect lens for your creative vision. Explore endless photographic possibilities. What we like. This camera offers a fantastic entry into mirrorless photography with intuitive controls. If you're a beginner looking for a compact and user-friendly camera that delivers great image quality and fast autofocus, this is an excellent choice. The touchscreen makes shooting and reviewing photos a breeze. What people say. The Olympus Digital Camera boasts an impressive 16-megapixel sensor, delivering crisp and detailed images even in challenging lighting conditions. Its compact and lightweight design makes it incredibly portable, perfect for travel and everyday use without compromising on image quality. The camera features a versatile 5x optical zoom lens, allowing you to capture both wide-angle shots and distant subjects with clarity. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.